Hello and welcome to a new video and welcome to, what day are we on? Friday. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so shall we go to work and see what mischief we can get into, keep out of. Oh, come with me then and we'll see you in London. Well, we made it to work. Pick up a train in about 50 minutes, I think. Right, it's 5:25. Let's go and do some work. Now, I'll just say now before I forget, I'm meant to be doing some shout-outs today, but because I'm so disorganised at the moment, well, all the time, I haven't actually got my list of them. So I will add them when I... Probably won't do it as a voiceover, so I'll probably try and get my list sorted out and add it onto the next video that I record at work. Because I've got some of my videos coming out over the next few weeks of my travels, but I won't stick them on that. So I do apologise, but I will get them done for you next time I record one here. So you never know what a Friday can be like. It can be trouble, or not. So place your bets. Okay, we have a train stuck halfway down the platform. Is that my train? Well, it wasn't my train. It's berthed now. I'm going to guess it was tripped coming into the platform on something on the track. So anyway, I haven't told you where we're going. We're going to Terminal 5. So when this video comes out, because actually I aim to edit this tonight when I get home for tomorrow, Piccadilly Line will be shut between Cockfosters and Uxbridge. Now, I'm not at work for that, but just thought I'd let you know, to be honest. Right. Everyone wants to talk to me today. Down to Terminal 5. Obviously we're not stopping at Turnham Green in either direction, and we'll be bringing the train back up here. Or at least that's the plan. Right, it was a couple of minutes late coming in, so I'm going to switch you off and hopefully we'll catch you down at T5. We made it to Terminal 5. Welcome to 22 sidings, Terminal 5. Very busy in town. Nothing really to report. The usual. Doors closing, someone jumps on and then wonders why the other 16 people they're travelling with still on the platform. But I suppose keeps me awake, I guess. So we're going to take this back up to Cockfosters, and because it's early, it's about 7 o'clock now, about 10 past 7 even. We're not stopping at Turnham Green. On the eastbound, we're also not going to be stopping at Barron's Court, as that's still closed. That's closed for another 2-3 months. So hopefully it'll be uneventful. Although that is the famous last words. So I'm going to get this train set up and hopefully no issues. So we're just waiting for the signal. Got about 3 minutes or so before we're out of here. That'll be the new stopping mark for the new trains. Right, see you up at Cockfosters. Right, we are back at Cockfosters. No drama, a little bit slow from sort of Wood Green all the way up here, but nothing really to worry about. Other than that, everyone was reasonably well behaved, wasn't busy. So yeah, so now I'm going to put this train to bed. Because unlike me, it needs its beauty sleep. Double check there's no one jumped on. Yes, we're good. Hopefully there's no one on the train. Oh, it's a little bit chilly once that sun goes down. We are looking good. As long as there's no one on the floor in the last car. Which there's not. Excellent, right, let's put it away. Of course, we just got to wait for a signal. It's not during the depot for another 8 minutes, but hopefully they'll let me in early. We'll see. One out and there's one coming in. Right, hopefully we're next. Right, well there she is, all stabled. We are 5 or 6 minutes late stabling. I called up the signaller and asked if there was a reason for the delay. He said for some reason the signal system didn't quite know where I was going. So he intervened and we've got it sorted anyway, so not the end of the world. Sort of a pain when you're on time all day and then you sort of get scuppered at the end of it, but that's life, I guess. Right, so I need to walk out. So according to my duty, I officially need to have my break at 21:51 till 22:21 at Cockfosters. But I'll be honest, I don't feel like having my break at Cockfosters. So, answers on a postcard, where am I going to have my break? Well, you'll have to wait and find out. Can't really get any closer to the new train for you. But there she is, or one of them anyway. I'd just like to apologise to channel members because this video is going to be, so today's Friday, as I'm sure you've guessed from what I said earlier, and I'm going to edit this video hopefully when I get home tonight for it to come out Saturday. Now normally it's out a few days early for channel members, but originally the video for this week was meant to be one from my trip in the US, but I only had one day off this week and my nephew came to visit, so I never actually got a chance to edit it. So hence why I'm doing this video today, because this is easier to edit than those ones from my trip, which are going to take me, some of them might even take a day or two to edit properly. So yeah, so I apologise that it won't be out quite as far in advance as normal, but hopefully this will be available early hours of the morning, and then it should be out 4 o'clock in the afternoon for everybody else. But should anything change, then it'll have to come out on Sunday. So the only problem with stabling early is you're always going to get one of the roads at the far end. So we got a 2 today. So not terrible. Well, I didn't get very far. I was just having a chinwag with a shunter. It's always good to get some gossip. So there's the wash there that we use at the moment. I think they're still going to, I don't know if it's going to be that wash, it's roughly in that location. They might just refurbish that. But the poor people that live in these houses here, they've had all the trees taken down, we're having new roads put down there, and then you probably can't just see it at the moment. There's a huge building going up there, which is going to be the wash shed, and they're going to put the wheel lathe in there. And also, apparently, where they took the trees down, you know, you would have seen it on my old videos when we go west from Cockfosters. They're building a fence at the minute, but apparently they're going to be putting 5 new roads in there. And I'd imagine you could probably, depending on how far they go, you're going to get 3, maybe 4 or 5 trains on each road. I'm just having a rough guess. But that'll be a while off yet, I would imagine. I mean, we've got sections of track here. So these are new, even though they're all rusty, obviously, but... and bits of rail there. Oh well, I guess they'll get on with it at some point. Well, after all that chatting with the shunter, I'm a little bit late for my meal break. It's 1 minute past 11. And I decided to have it at home. Of course I'm teasing. Yeah, today's duty was literally just T5 and back, and then have a break at the end of it and go home. But obviously, I thought I'd come home rather than sit there and have a break and then come home. So that's it. Hence why I can edit this video tonight. Fingers crossed. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Like me, it's a short and sweet one. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for coming with me. You know, I like the company. And until next time, take care. Good night.